you want if child molester fi end, boy. Bang.
Hey guys, wanna hear about some big man we are grown and a molest people picnic? Yes, me hear about them. Me could run go past some in a one sweetie man catch me. I wish Barney was here.
Hi, kids!
Barney!
Everybody alright? Hi, Johnny, what's wrong?
Well, Barney, what do you want little dirty child molester tell me fi come in and car and him give me sweetie, but me no go with him.
Chumbumba and them something yak me no like, you know, man. Anyhow, me did a come and see me would a punch him in a him CD bag. Hear me, I say, Johnny. Next time you see them boy, you see a son like me. Them boy, they all pay the file and Barney no go friend them. Only thing when me I do a take rope and go hang them. Now stomp your feet and say, Bun Ripper Man!
Stamp, Bun Ripper Man!
Yay!
A true Barney, and sometime me I come from school and some big great tone man I tell me about me pretty and my mother say me fi go with them and I try touch me.
Listen, never afraid to tell your mother or your father if one of them try touch you. And sing this. I'll kill you if you touch me, and I'll tell my family, make me bad man, father lick you with a big stone. Don't you try to touch me, Russ. And remember, kids, you know feel licky. And if a child molester try touch you, punch him in a CD bag.
So we go no child molesters, we know the pan that. Wanna say them off, alright, me say on that.